I don't know how to explain what's about the Giro for us. Just try to imagine that Italy has a very long history, but we are a nation not since not so many years, and the Giro d'Italia was one of those events that kept our people, our nation together. And in Italy, it's not just about football, but in any time we are fighting together, one city with another city, but just when we have the Giro d'Italia, everybody is together, everybody is waiting for this huge event, and you could see in the footage how much passion we have. And so what we want to bring here in Northern Ireland is all our passion and our love for our sport, our country, and I think it's going to be something special, the Italians and the Northern Irish people together for this big event. Now we have something like 16, 17 months to work together to make it bigger as possible, and I promise to all of you that we will do our best to make it bigger and bigger.
Okay, Michele, history will be made. This will be the first time that the Giro d'Italia will start in Ireland, and it'll be the first time it will start, in this location in Europe, an island off the north of Europe. So, how important is this, you think, for cycling in Ireland, but also for the race to go to new areas and to expand cycling?
I think that it's very important for both of us. It's a very good partnership, and from our point of view, we really believe this is a great opportunity for us, because we love when we can go and embrace our fans all around the world. And we never came in this island, and it's fantastic, because now that cycling is growing up so much in all the British countries. It's incredible for us that we can start from here. It will be a very huge start and a huge event.
Were there many other countries trying to also get the start for 2014?
Of course, we have many different Italian countries to ask for the big start of the Giro, but it's amazing that year by year we have many more countries calling for us to receive the Giro, and so I think that from today to 2020 we will have so many different places to visit.
There's not many details yet of the stages. What do you think is likely to happen? You think it's a prologue or team time trial maybe in the first day, or how will things go?
Yes, we are very open now, and we are checking with everybody what's the best solution, because on the logistic point of view it will be very tough, and we have to ride here on Monday and we have to ride back in Italy on Tuesday, so we have no rest day. And so we are trying to make everything easier for everybody. We are talking with the riders, we are talking with the teams, with their associations, and we are defining what's the best solution. What we are sure that everything will be fine, that we can do it with the airplanes, and now we are just choosing the best kind of stage, because if you come here with a team time trial or a time trial, you need the time trial bikes, and then they have to go back to Italy, or we are just finding the best solution. But I think that in the summertime we will present the program.
You've been in charge of the Giro for a couple of years now. You've brought in some very interesting changes, a lot more social media, a lot of new thinking. Are you happy with the progression that you've made and how the race has grown?
I'm very, very happy. And our strategy is easy, just look at the fans, what the fans want, and give them what they want. Very, very easy. And remember that our fans are not just the Italian fans, of course they are, but we have fans all around the world, so we have to think what they want, but on an international and global basis.
Finally, this year's race, you have riders like Wiggins and various others taking part. You think it's going to be a very big event?
It will be a very big event. It's a great challenge for Wiggins to win the Giro and wear the Maglia Rosa again. But I think that so many other riders are coming. It will be not so easy to win the Giro, because I'm thinking about Ejjedal, of course, our former champion, and Nibali, or Gesink, or Samuel Sanchez. So Basso. It will be a very good race, and I hope that everybody can enjoy it.